it's Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today I am unboxing Snail Mail Sticker Club. I've done this one quite a few times. This is a monthly sticker subscription. Every packet comes with 10 sticker sheets, a frameable 5x7, like a positive affirmation type thing that you can frame it and all that, and then 2 affirmation cards, one for you and one for a friend. This is $15.95 Canadian. I will convert that and put it down below in United States prices. It does have free shipping to the US and to Canada. Worldwide shipping is just $6. So I think this one's super cute. It's got a good mix of stickers for kids and stickers for planners, which I think is fun too. We are gonna, almost on here now. All right. So there's a little insert here. Happy day. I do have a coupon code TREE20 for you guys to get 20% off your first month with a monthly plan. And then there's a little insert, super cute. And then here's the little packet with all our stickers. So like I said, I will link down below to my full review, and I'll also link to Snail Mail Sticker Club so you can check them out. But we're just gonna get in there. First, we have super kawaii stickers. These are little fruits with smiles on them. I like those a lot. It's cute. These are fun for kids, obviously. We've actually been writing letters to nursing homes now that the coronavirus has been around. Since the people at nursing homes don't have visitors, writing a card or drawing a picture is really nice. So we've been making little sticker pictures sometimes, my youngers. All right, then we have, ooh, these are, there's cassettes, mixtape, power jams, but then there's also like ferocious animals on here, which is kind of an interesting mix, but that's cute. There's like a little jaguar, a shark, and a tiger there. So that's our second sheet. Typically they say 10 sheets, but I think so far, and they're all different sizes, but usually there's more than 10. All right, then we have, ooh, flamingos. There's like some gold monstera leaves. These would be great for your planner or for letters or stationery. Then we have the cool flamingos, and these are like kind of like a, what is that stuff called? Starts with a V, vellum. Almost feels like that vellum type of thing, you know what I'm saying? All right, so there's that. Those are super cute. I like those a lot. Oh no, little stickers too much. Ah, little stickers. There's little sticker stuff. So this is a summer flamingo party type sheet. We have, it looks like all pool floats and palm trees and a big duck, and it's just super cute summertime. Then we have, these are like little animals at the park and doing all these fun sorts of activities, like this little dog is flying a plane, they're on a merry-go-round, there's a slide, there's a swing, there's a little car, there's a bench, there's a bird in a bird bath. Super cute. All right. So what is that? 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sheets. Okay. Our 6th sheet is cheetahs. And these are super cute, and they have gold dots on them, and there's also some little flowers. These are really great if you have like one planner sheet that you just want to do with cheetah. That would be cool. And then our 7th is these fun holographic hearts. Can you see? I think more for kids, but some people might want to put those in their planner as well. 8, we have these are like vintage bows and flowers. Little sticker stuff there, I don't know. So there are those, super pretty and very vintage, like I said, vintage feeling. And then we have pineapples, and these are glitter stickers. Aren't they cute? Oh my gosh, and they're like raised, and they're super like sturdy. You see what I'm saying? So there's that. Those are cute, I like those. And then we have some fun scratch and sniff flower stickers. I'm not gonna scratch me up because I want my kids to have fun with them, but those are super cute. Vivian's gonna love these. All right, then we have 2 little sheets. These all have little smileys on them, which I think are super cute. And then we're down to our frameable 5x7. It says, "You are magnificent." This is actually a postcard. So you can send this if you'd like, or you can just keep it and look at it and remind yourself that you are magnificent. Who couldn't use that in their life? All right, then we have our affirmations. So this one says, "I am enough." And there's 2. You can pass one to a friend, keep one for yourself, or give them both away if you want, if you're feeling really giving. So for your $15.95 Canadian spend, you get your affirmation cards, your postcard, and your smiley stickers, your scratch and sniff stickers, your pineapple stickers, your bow stickers, your hollow stickers, your cheetah stickers, your park stickers, your pool float stickers, your flamingo stickers, your mixtape stickers, and your fun little smiley stickers. So like I said, I will link down below to Snail Mail Sticker Club and also to my full review, so you can check that out. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.